Hi there, okay, doing good. So this is an Excel automation in which some amendment was required. And let me go through the four requirements. Let me go through first the second and the fourth one, which I'll explain on this image so that you can see the curved nature of this line graph was changed to the sharp edges, and these will be straight lines now. Regarding this fourth change, which was for the CBR column, CBR value, if the value is less than 10, it will show a one decimal place. If the value is greater than 10, it will not show any decimal places. So these two are done. Now regarding the first one and the third one, which are similar to each other, and both are I think these are only one. So to do that, as I discussed earlier on the previous video, that I was just taking the next largest value and plotting those. But now we are using some different pattern so that we can see if the pressure is repeating itself, like going up or down, it will take out the values. And you can see all of these values are now formulas, and I'm using column RST to calculate some values so that we can get the right results in here. Now let me show you the currently for this one, the value is keep on increasing, but at the last value it's decreasing. Let me show you all of these are formulas. So you can see all of these are formulas. The white cells are your input cells only. All right, so you can see it's picking the value 3 in here. Now let's go back to the plate 3. And here the value is 2, then 36, and you can track these here as well. So if the values are increasing, like the next value is 36, and yes, there is another thing that you are taking the last value of that 36 psi, kPa. And yes, I was initially taking the first value, and now I'm using the last value as well. So for example, if there are 73 results for the 70, it will take the 2.77 as per your given file. I saw your file that you entered the manually values in here. Let me show you. So these are your manual values, and I tracked those, and I'm using the same pattern. All right, let me go back to the original file. And if I'll flip the file from one to another, you can see these are exactly the same results which you are looking for. Though I'm getting I think a better one, maybe. Okay, let me show you for this 70 and then 104 and then again 70, 70, 104 and then 70. So now it's checking the correct values. All right, let me go back to the plate 4 and compare with the plate 4. Yes, I was comparing plate 4 with plate 3. So you can see these are exact. If I flip the value, the file you shared with me and the file I edited, only the button size is different. All right, so you can see these are exactly the same values, and you are getting the result as per required. Now I have only one question. So if we are taking this value from 2 in here, so why we are not taking the average set of value? I don't know. If you want to keep it 0, that's fine with me. But we are using these values and these values to be pulled from here, and we can turn these gray as well so that you can understand that these are not the manual inputs. So only the white cells are in manual input. So if you want to turn these grays, you can also do that if you want me to do it. But if you like to have this like this, whatever the format you are using currently, it's good with it. So yep, all of the rest of the values are working fine. So if you'll make any changes on the plate 4.3, you will see that there are some variation. So after 252, it's again coming back to 2, and it's showing the correct values in here. So that is it from my side. Hope this satisfies you. Please do let me know if you find any further modification to be done. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.